With the selector in the 2000 kilo ohm range, that is 2 mega ohm range, the value shown is 21. When I shine the mobile phone light there, it will practically be 0 because it is much below that mega ohm range. I'll just turn it to 200. When it is at 200, it is shown as 115 ohms. So from mega ohm range, it has come down to a few ohms range with a bright light shining on the light dependent resistor or LDR, which is also known as photoresistor. This is a passive component because there is no PN junction, while photodiodes and phototransistors are active components with PN junctions.